Alright, so more baby adventures. Michael, what did Zachary do? Michael, what did Zachary do?
What did Zachary do?
What did he do?
The poopies?
Yeah, the poopies. Oh, that was his butt. Sorry. Yeah, that's Zachary's little... I don't know. His contribution to his bath. Pretty gross. Yeah. Pretty nasty. So we're waiting for it to drain and then we're going to do something. Yeah, Zachary's nasty.
Yeah. This is the daddy.
Yeah, that's pretty gross, huh?
Zachary's gross.
Yeah, Zachary's gross. Zachary pooped in the bath.
Yes, Zachary's bad.
It's all gathering right there. And yeah, well, anyways, go clean it up. So, yeah, it came out of Zachary's butt, huh? Sure, dude. Zachary? That's gross, bud. That's gross. Really gross.